Hello everyone, welcome back to my gold leaf channel. Today we're going to talk about whether metallic paints compare to real metal leaf. So I'm going to be testing acrylic paint, liquid leaf alongside the metal leaf. We're going to do a side-by-side comparison and discuss pros and cons. So let's start by looking at all the products that we're going to be using. So I've got acrylics, gold and silver. I have got metal leaf, imitation in silver and gold. And then I also have some liquid leaf, which I haven't used before. So today's my first time trying that out. So I'm excited about that. And then I just have two canvases. I'm going to do a silver and gold. And lastly, we have the glue for applying the metal leaf. Just dividing up my canvas into three bands because I want to be able to show you side by side. So I'm going to start with my gold acrylic. I'm not going to use any water because I want the paint to be as heavy body and with much opacity as possible. So I'm just going to apply my first coat of acrylic paint into the first band. So I'm going to open up my liquid leaf, which I've got in silver and gold. Each one cost about £15, which is about $20, I think. I had a bit of a disaster with the silver, so I'll explain that to you later on. But I decided to make a thinner band actually for the liquid leaf because I realized, there isn't that much in these little bottles. And this is an oil-based product as well, which I also hadn't realized. So that gold looks absolutely gorgeous, doesn't it? But it's quite smelly and it's going to need some specialist cleaning fluid to clean the brush afterwards. I do actually really like the colour of this gold. So yes, I've got high hopes for this. I decided to leave a nice big area for the gold leaf because, to be honest, it wouldn't look great in a little small band. So I've got a flat brush and I'm just going to brush on the specialist glue, which is called Size. And all of the products that I use and I recommend will be linked in the description below. And they're actually affiliate links, so if you'd like to buy, I do earn a small commission, which is rather nice for me. So thank you if you do that. Okay, so we're going to brush on a nice smooth coat of the Size and we're going to leave it to go tacky for at least half an hour. Very important. So I'm going to be jumping back and forth between the different areas on the canvas as each is drying. And now that my first coat of acrylic is dry, I'm going to apply a second coat, which you can see makes a huge difference. So we've left the canvas to go to this perfect state of tackiness. And if you want to know more about, if you're a beginner with gold leaf, I have so many videos on my channel helping you understand the process. So I'm using a product, an imitation gold leaf from Barnabas Black Gold, which I've used a lot and is really reliable. And each sheet comes with this tissue backing, so you can gently smooth it down. And I'm going to fill in the whole area in a sort of tiling pattern. And what you can do is you can sort of tear off any excess along the side to fill up small areas. Now that I've covered the whole area with the gold leaf, what I can do now is I take a soft brush and I rub over the whole surface and go along all those seams where the gold leaf sheets join, and you're going to end up with a beautifully lustrous finish, completely smooth. This is my final coat of acrylic, and I always find with the third coat then it really starts to look extra special. So just in any type of acrylic painting that I'm doing, whether it's like a solid block of colour or a bird or a flower, it really needs 3 coats to look extra special. And the liquid leaf is also going to need another coat, and I think 2 coats should be fine. So yeah, it's a really nice colour, and you can see as I paint it on what a difference it makes with that second coat. Okay, so there's my finished demo canvas, and obviously I have a favourite. Can you guess what it is? Of course, it's gold leaf. If you've watched my channel before, you know I'm obsessed with gold leaf. And in fact, before finding gold leaf, I used to use gold paints all the time. But I just think it's really interesting to see them side by side. So at the end, we're going to do a little analysis, pros and cons. But for now, I want to quickly run through what happened with my silver version, because, I'm always really mean to silver and I just leave it out. But I thought, yeah, let's just do silver as well. And when I opened up the pot of the liquid leaf, and I tried to mix it, and it was all like hard and gloopy, and I could barely brush it on, and I thought, my God, what is this stuff? And actually I opened the silver before the gold, and then of course when I opened the gold I was like, oh, this is what it's supposed to look like. So it kind of ruined my demonstration, but I thought, let's just put the silver in anyway because it's useful to see, and silver leaf is really lovely as well. So let's move on to discussing my final analysis, pros and cons, and yeah. So are you ready for this big long list? Okay, acrylic paints, obviously they're inexpensive, they're easy to use, don't really create any mess, and you don't need any experience. But on the negative, I would say the colour is a bit garish, it needs at least 3 coats, and you'll find that each brand provides a different colour. The liquid leaf does give a nice soft glow, and it's easy to apply, it's easy to use on different surfaces. You don't need any experience, but it is expensive and it's kind of toxic, so it's a bit smelly, and you need to have special cleaning spirits to clean your brushes with. So my favourite, obviously I'm a super fan of gold leaf. You can achieve great reflective results. It's actually relatively inexpensive. I mean, obviously you do have to buy other products as well to go along with it, but you can go on a magical golden journey And if you follow me and subscribe, you're going to get so much inspiration and tips. And then you can move on to like different colors, different quality of gold leaf. You can even start to use real gold, which is a whole other level. So obviously I am saying go with the metal leaf, try it out. If you need more tips, check out my channel. And I also now have channel memberships, and I would absolutely love if you want to find out what's available and help support my channel. I'd appreciate so much. See you next time. Bye.